Cam here with O'Brien's Automotive, and today you're going to love this one. This one is a 2011 Ford F-150 Super Crew with a 5.5 foot box. It's an XLT with the XTR chrome package, which gives you the chrome grille, bumpers, wheels, rails, as well as running boards. And inside, this also comes with a power driver's seat, a sunroof. It also does have power adjustable pedals, a nice infotainment stack here with your climate controls. This one is the 4-wheel drive, but the big thing is it only has 73,000 kilometers on it. If you have any questions about this vehicle, you can give me a call at 306-525-5626, or you can email me at cam@ofinance.ca.